And at this moment, I was a prophet Kofi Oduro 8 Ghana for actual because Ninsem or Kayano and some now would nipping be out to the point they said, almost of penny a hypocrite. Nina for Dumsor comment so for ever pass, so for every Ghana for water. Yes, said Ghana friend was here for. Obi biara will complain the Dumsor ban Sebi and Yajuma or was a penny. So for every atem. Media that's all. Or which is of penny, we in fact, we natural papa. The bunch remove no matter the wajane. Amame, ever comment session. I penya broke media. Let's say any demo. Or like if video not that my subscribe button, some back click notification icon of latest updates. I bet you the wajane that mame ever comment session. Obaswa, no chef was any be ashe. You know, my fat pen and paper may weekly bookings. Now me hemwa. Any person yeah on top of the list. A prophet Kofi Oduro. What I say? Nina came by. Dumsor honsem sim ye. And a quiz official. Any Ghana phone ever complain ye. At a tear Dumsor edomo firm. Despite the fact that omutua electricity be able was ro prepaid ye toda kese. But Dumsor kuye prepaid also a santem. All my show frustrations any other day. And if you can go for the Nakasa club a complaints at Dumsor aba. Now even as one on first no top prepaid thousands risa. It make it puno with between there 2 weeks. But now they come say every week be at least or 2,000. Or no come share frustrations.
Doesn't have to happen. A nation that is 70 years. Yeah, I'm all through. Yeah, but see, I will say, my maybe sorry, at addition and two at Adiano. But there was so best someone to what time would and what the other. Let this stop. Let the nonsense stop. Stop it. And oftentimes when we are talking about things like this, dangerous things like Galamsey, now we are in a party, for our party, not all. I don't want to hear it. Obi to prepare to see an answer, and be a party. Are you serious? What they be a party? What do we care about your party? Can you get me to be am say 50 Ghana be a 2 weeks? Say what toy ya 2 days or next day or so santo. Now what tea up and so the party? We don't care about your party. Church and can you talk can near 1,000? It can take us to like 1.5 weeks. Now we buy 1,000, another same week now we need to buy another 1,000. And you are calling that a then go see South Africa 40. Look at what
Bakoba say omu ako fixe a janet to akosombo dam hono mono. Entinama larger part of the country no a face load share there no. About my coffee fixe Kofi Oduro asabe U10. Di omu a Omu complain Dumsor ban no can who be complaining bieno or say di Ghana for atem.
Nkwasia gunza kan ye dumi ejaye obi aka na no atum. Kwasia dwene na ba me na adan madu ya Ghana. Nkwasia dwene na ye se adwuma no. Akosombo ahye ama nipa ye huru ba bia obi ambo adwuma angasa mom ya mompa ye se akosombo no ahye no eniema ba kama. Asia drinking can kwasia dwene keka wunim de ya wo fie wo no ye kura wo ye electrician ba no be fa cable so de ye adwuma prekopa na kanea no so na pese ye na Ghana na baby akanea ko baby ya tell me say ngwasia dwene be de kata adentira mato aba do to abenti ya bibi say ya yenziezi oh edi angwasi ya dwene no politicians in the musuro manimu ntimi nka we njirem edi angwasi ya dwene watu abenti ya yentimi nka sanjire wo se asem a wo ken emfa adwe enya adwe bi anim obi papa ekofuru po akwa hwesa cable no ahye no obetimi foforo akọ join akọ connect wo nwi obi papa no ho utifie na wo nse nwuru na atimi keka and all that kind of thing number jina ka jo se nkwasi ya dwene a wo se won ti ase. Amen. Amen. Yeba afufro ahankasa kanea no enyina so ye current no wo form e wo low. First yeba ha ye so generator air condition enye adwuma also iron enye adwuma. Ena awurade adomo ma be pija ayi no mu kakra ma ye. Even though still you're so screen ya a map and omnia ni na ye kane asem ya. But ye nim se enchenche wona frifrisi e ba ha no na kane akura ye de kasa no ibi ni ho. Iti ada na wo no you cannot be able to understand. Sa adwene no iti ye ne pasa Paul nyame de Dumsor nko aba beto ne so na asore no ye si na ye kase na sofo maami we obeba no ote na konwam ne ye na mama suddenly makoji aduru
odi Ghana for atem also na problem part 1 and problem part 2 we aye part 3 enya ye beef enya ya say in fact enya ya ntoka bookings no ye nya sanse ye the stamp esi Kofi Oduro elder board that come that small we ka kire busia we eni mu nkire mu
awa bon wabara Kofi Oduro we enya atwem Ghana this 67 years then say dum light ne what is 70 years e dum light a we say dum no pede wo tie ye no se me ka se oyenya atwem a we say ogimi di da pen na Ghana for ye yare no akọ an ne de say ye dum light a eni say complain bio ya dum light we say the minister the whole minister baba defend it nti omano ye yare obano we say ye yare aburike okọ ha da pen na what say ya dum light da enne aburike na ye da ya dum light ana so won say we nya atwem won wani ngwa say a eba me see obi abe hu mu baako asofo no binu mo okurum ha won mo na mo ye problem se man nyinya atwem no am free mo akuma mu na mo anka no kura nkire ya ndie mo beti no masuwe mu no enya mo de we anya atwem ankasa tamana na do ewa power no se ye sie light na wo say aden na ya dum light enne Dumsor aba wo say aden na ya mmọ mpaye enne de ehia mpaye bo person na wonim say yetimi bo mpaye mesraw se wo say akusombo ase a minister no say enya akusombo ase no na maye nya light na mmom ye ni sika ye di top fuel e dia fuel plant no aya ni na wo Dumsor mu nti enya mpaye bo asem why
so in 2024 Prophet Kofi Oduro hunu sa nyansa no anka nkyerɛ Ghanaians say we should stop complaining about Dumsor na aban no esiesie nemo we should come together and pray for aban no na watimi esiesie Ghanaian ni ye edi aman and then Prophet Kofi Oduro ka kyerɛ yɛn a ye complaining about Dumsor say ye yare we are sick, in fact we are very stupid for complaining, said there is Dumsor. Why? Because I so much abiding CSC. So why are we complaining? So Kofi Oduro. Aya na me ya. Say some of you mumma mo kwan. Emma emobo nsebi ti say yen. A yen sem fata e kasa mu ani. Only in 2024 na wo complain bitterly. You did not see it. So udi nyansa ni nyimdia ebe friend sorry mani nyina ase ye mom pioneer fix Dumsor. You complained. And were you stupid then? I'm just asking. Papa, were you stupid then? No logical thinking person. And a better Prophet Kofi Oduro nas. Etienne Sembi say. Because see, so what's not the Nasi in 2024? A man ni kansan some way extra abaya no so. Not enough. The same thing is happening under a certain government. Now, the catcher say we are very stupid for complaining. What would see Prophet Kofi Oduro Nasi? Who go through this Dumsor? Now, what's your bones? Some the actually upper. Now, there is something wrong with your brains. But if all of you Oduro, you have disappointed God and you have disappointed Christianity. And then Tina Obi person here, and was here complaining about Dumsor. And those who complain about Dumsor then, they were not stupid. But then we are complaining about Dumsor and we are stupid. Thank you, man of God. Thank you. But thank God that we are not as stupid as those under you, cheering you up, clapping for you when they forget what you said yesterday and hail you for what you are saying today.
Abusia Ghana asofo for nim bio. They say mo ya ma politics no you mo dey wura asole them to the sense who preach who di atem who di Ghana for and I say Ghana for ukoto about who do matem say because omo ka dumso ene wo na wo se dumso ni nti no omu udu matem ba dumso na ho man you onkofo na ojo omo ni mu a wo preach no ya wo ye no nyo omo fo but enam say omu sofu panyin no nti no omu ntimi nka nkyerɛ ya wo ya wo ho no enye omu fe enye omu de because enye omu nyina na tia sɔre dem no ma omu ye NDC for enye omu nyina so na ye MPP for to the sense emire bi beba no wo sɔfo obegyina sɔre dem no ahye NDC atare aye campaign e wa sɔre dem because all the campaign no and all the politics no ewu asɔre dem obi anim say ye NDC obi anim say ye Julius no brand pa but ye esi wa kufu at the time na wo criticize papa no ka say stupid country wo di akufu at atem wo di light na edundundum no wo di even though wo di UK to Ghana wo say UK ay mo say edum light mpo ana say bedum light ana say water e betwa ye mam notification ye mam alert 4 days before then the same thing isi 2026 o party amamum dia o na Ghana for can say dumso o torum na o criticize Ghana for di Ghana for timamufo atem see hwe be the politics na do hwe be the amanyon sam no ye de awura sore dem na ka sa sore ma we no sa wa manchen ke Orthodox churches na ka wo kasa na ke bi sore pie embe bi be ba no asore ne be gutu sense wo the politics e wura sore dem Roman for mu nye ni say o Pentecost for mu nye ni say o Presby for mu nye say o Methodist for nye say no mu yo obia nso so sofra ogina opigin o na asore enso so omu nye ni say ba wonko ama politics na afa wo no mu mama ye me ho mre na mre so so ye dey ye ninka so emre we ye ninka so say Ghana for boni temam for boni omu ye ne say ye dundum like no omu ka ho asem na wuru sofu mu a utimi bedi timufo say ya atwenye to say ye nimu nya say ya be bonfire say transformer and then ye timi bonfire de ma transformer Kofi Oduro and then ye timi bonfire de ma transformer ye light gina na so meboa ba ku for the time de ye timi bonfire fa ma transformer enyina na so enya adwuma matimamfo hypocrisy hypocrite very hypocrite stop being hypocritical oh yeah the you know politics around this atare awura sore dem ododo oh yeah the politics na awura sore ododo sofo edi wo yenya sofo bia se bi omo Ghana omo che utipen a omunim nyansa cha wo mefra watufu se ye wo ye no eti asofo dwuma edi eni asofo bi o mefra Kofi Oduro na omo tufu se ye wo ye no eti nyame dwuma because obi penso de eno de enye because of see you do light obi person there you have the nerves to criticize it but here by the case you know the brain me no into obi anim so the end na achechere won Kofi Oduro into obi there obi criticize it but obi there o say a bonfire the ma transformer Kenya one can say a bonfire e the ma transformer e jina na now so my light ever hypocrite
open osofo ba ko ye nyaachum no wa say nyisi na adwin na okasa jimie mu a papa ye odaso
Kofi Frank
and na dey say there we all Ghanaians should come together and pray and we should stop sitting on the social media talking about Dumsor but also for Bible catch us for nidie matumidie na fa obuo mpanyifo a owo dibia utimi gina o platform so efre ohini bi se oye jimi for bra no odi to me enade on say yesi si yi ekwan no na se anka wo dan a o se contractor no eni tene o se won aba na odi behu 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 13 say ewrade nti mombre mo wasema onipa hyehyeye biara na mombrɛ mo ho ase ɛma ɔhene ɛsane ne dibea nti wokae Tito timiɛnsa kyekyɛm baako na ɔse kɔso akae wɔn sɛ wɔn brɛ wɔn ho ase ma aban ɛne tumidie ɛne ɔhene ɛsane ne dibea nti ɛnam saa yɛ so no yɛbɛkɔ so ayɛ nnwuma pa ɛde ahyɛ yɛn Nyankopɔn ne onyam ba wo timi ne wasɔre ma timi gyina wasɔre dan mu disrespecti obi ɛsane sɛ ɛnyɛ ɔno na wopɛ na asɛm ɛnyɛ ɔno na wo support no wɔn sɛ ewie mmerɛ mu no the Bible itself expose mu nyina one by one shame on you Kofi Oduro wɔde me na egu ase no nyaatwumni
Matisi so for Kofi Oduro sɛ den ye mo mpa na duru so ni nyae sɛ mpa banko na yade nyina enka wasa wa sɔre alabaska ne ka hiafo nim enso hiafo bebree a wosa dwom sika ɛna o yire nyam hotam sɛ mpa banko na yade nyina eka sofo ekotwa mahama ho ehia lokutus wakoma panti yade o mana hye wonsa eye dede a sɛ nyame na yi kyerɛ o mo sɛ akoma pampa nka ne Ghana fo wiye ne sɛ mpa banko na yade nyina ɛde sɛ ka President Mahama Assemblies of God ni a o cartons hwɛ sɛ de Ghana wiye sam wakonu adu mo sɔle mo mani pɛ home ɛna mo de nyamnya hye machi utu sɛ nyame mfrɛ o bade pastor bade pastor nyame flash o kwa no afrɛ o ɛso mo tu di Mahama chi na munim sɛ nyame na yi kyerɛ mo sɛ ɔde Mahama ba mpa nyame agya mo nyame agya no nyame na yɛn kɔbɔ mpa yɛn kyerɛ no sɛ ɔma akoso mo light ni nyina so no sɛ nyame ya na mo sɛ bɛka kyerɛ sɛ yɛ fɛn sɛ ɔno ɔse yɛ fa Mahama mra ɛnɛnɛ ɔde Ghana Japan nyina ma ni nua nyame ehu koko akuafo nkokorafo sika wafa di nyame sɛ nyame ne wa ehu bade pastor nyame mfrɛ mo azaa sika ni bire mo ha mo ni mo ko tintin mutiri ho tintin eji ehiafo sika di sempai bonko na ya de nyina ka Pentecostal churches miama sorry Pentecost ka hiafo nim because empire 24/7 eya dwen ba omi na kufu ado na nyampai bo eyom yisu o ma dwen omo nimdie wa mamu ho ba omia o nimdie wa mamu ho si e mompa ye aya bosoro ya bosase adwene ko ade mamadi amfa ko bompa ye no ya waka ba de pastors amafu e de nyamo
Kofi Oduro wasan kan ho yama light of ntima yenka yemu bi atoaba ntima yenka se yama light of Kofi Oduro fa mic ne to ho uye Kristo ni sofo unye Kristo ni sofo fa mic ne to ho na bra be ye politics light ni dum senkrofo ne makohwe cost of eno de wa ye di wa begina ho ne u be di ntro ase akosomu ahye akosomu hifa na ahye mo hyeda qnet aban mo hyeda se akosomu ana mo de akohye akosomu Mahama nankasa Dumsor di nachi no ya unhunu ana ono Dumsor di nachi no ya unhunu o sori anu akogina sori dem eho na mo ko preach politics enti misi mon ko fa mo mic ne nto Kofi Oduro fa mic ne to na bra fa menye politics no na Mahama de ye uboni dia de o kai ni Dumsor
Tell the word of mama, comment section. I PENYAH Black Media. Like that.